Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I am going to show you a cool tips and trick that you can actually listen to YouTube without turning on your screen. This is useful when you are trying to, let's say, go to sleep or try to listen to YouTube but without turning the screen on. And there is a way to do it, and I am going to show you how to do it today. And you might be asking me, what is the purpose of playing YouTube without having the screen? Well, a lot of the YouTube content is visual, but there are contents that are audio, such as like podcasts and stuff, and you don't really need to look at the screen to consume the content, or music, for example. So if you would like to listen to YouTube for a long period of time and you don't want to turn on the screen to save battery, or if you're trying to go to sleep and try to listen to YouTube, you can also do that. And without further ado, I am going to show you how to do that. And also, before I forget, I always forget, if you like the video so far, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? That will really help support the channel big time, and it doesn't cost you anything. So let's get going, and I am going to show you how to play YouTube without turning the screen on. So in order for you to play YouTube in the background with the screen off, you do not use your YouTube app. All you need to do is open your Chrome browser and then type in YouTube. And then once you are on YouTube, so what you need to do is the menu button on Chrome and then select desktop site right here. So it will convert everything into desktop sites, like your view of your computer and stuff like that. And then you just have to fire one of the videos right here. And then click on your account name. And ta-da! And then all you have to do is just shut off the screen. Click sign. And then as you can see on your screen right here, there's a play button. And I can turn off the screen and play my YouTube. And I can turn off the screen and play my ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. So a couple weeks ago, I made a video about how to sign out your YouTube applications from your YouTube app. And that was... As you can see, I can play YouTube content without the screen turning on. And it's really useful if you are planning to listen to a long podcast, which you don't really need to look at the screen. So hope this tips and trick will give you some convenience for using YouTube. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you liked the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today, I am going to show you a cool tips and trick. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I am going to show you a cool tips and trick of the YouTube